Building your own cord set. Place your tape where you'd like your socket to go. Take your color cord 3000 and strip the outer casing. And now strip the individual wires underneath. Now solder and tin the ends. If you don't have what we have here, a soldering gun will do just fine. Now put on your cord grip. Right here we're using a standard white cord grip. Now take your socket cap and loosen your ground screw, placing the green wire in the terminal, and then tighten. A pair of pliers comes in handy right here. Push the cord through to give yourself a little bit of room. Place your black and white wires in the correct terminals. And snap your cap on. Now take a small wrench and tighten up your cord grip. And screw on the second half of the cord grip, securing the wire in place. And there you go. Your socket end is complete. For the plug end, place a piece of tape 3/4 of an inch from the end of the cord. Use your color cord 3000 to strip the end. Now here you can place a piece of tape at the end to prevent the cloth covering from sliding down. Just like the other side, strip the wires and tin the ends. Now take your plug end and take the screw out of the top, releasing the two halves. Loosen the screws here. First, take the plug cover and slide it onto the cord. Then with the pliers, hook the ends. Now with the hooked ends, place them on the terminals going in clockwise. Always remember, white goes to silver, green goes to green, and black goes to gold. Tighten down each screw. Now take the cover and slide it back over the top of the terminals and place the screw in the top. And there you go, your plug end is finished. Next, we're going to add a thumb switch. Place a tape where you'd like your thumb switch to go. Place a piece of tape marking each end of the thumb switch. Sometimes it can fray, so use another piece of tape to stop the fraying. Now take your razor and cut off the cloth covering. Next, score a line, making sure that you're not going through the housing and hitting the other wires, and pull off the casing. Now cut the black wire down the middle and strip each end. You'll also tin these ends as well. Place your thumb switch down. Put the white and green wire on the top and the black wires and the terminals on the bottom. Also, pliers here are a good idea. Now this can be a little bit tricky, so just take your time. Taking a flathead screwdriver, push down on the terminals securing the black wire in place. Make sure all the wires are in place. Take the switch cover and put it on. Using a pair of pliers, clamp down each corner one at a time. You may have to do this more than once. Make sure not to clamp down too hard to avoid cracking the casing. And there you go, your thumb switch is installed. You just made your own plug-in pendant light. Now let's go find a place to put this.